Good morning, everybody. We are once again doing another Senior Chefs here for you today. We're making baked beans. Our ingredients: I have already browned a pound of Bob Evans Italian sausage. We have 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of ketchup, a packet of the onion soup mix, a squirt of French's Honey Dijon mustard. We've got the regular, straight up, usual Campbell's pork and beans. In addition to the regular pork and beans, we have got light kidney beans, dark kidney beans, black beans, and my favorite, butter beans. And so this recipe is, honestly, it's embarrassingly easy. Not much to show you. All we're doing, once you get your ground beef, or once you get your sausage browned, then at that point you're just dumping everything into the pot. Let's get that all cleaned out. We don't want to let anything go to waste. I have hungry kids and grandkids who will happily eat this up. Let's get our kidney beans in here. More kidney beans. Here comes the black beans, the butter beans, and some more baked beans. So now the brown sugar goes in. Our ketchup is going in. Much easier. I use the French's beefy onion soup mix. This is going to come in the powder. So this is going in. And we'll top it off with a squirt of the Honey Dijon. And we mix it all up. And from here, it goes into the pan. Oh, look at that. I think it's actually going to be perfect. Not too bad. Not too bad at all. Okay, cooking instructions. Cover this, put it into the oven at 275 degrees. I'm going to cook it for an hour and a half covered. After an hour and a half at 275, I'm going to go back in. I'm going to take the foil off of it. I'm going to cook it 1 more hour. So we're talking about cooking this for 2.5 hours at 275 degrees. And by the time that comes out, it will have been reduced. Some of the fluid in here will have been reduced a little bit, and you'll have a nice brown kind of crust over the top. And so this is something that I can absolutely vouch for. I hope that you make this, and I hope that you have a nice time